Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve Passever Extended June Series 2021 Component 4. Okay, we need to write down the inequality in X shown by the number line. So this is X. So the limit is going to be -2 and 1. Here is the empty circle. So this is less than. If this is full circle, so that is equal. Okay, write x squared plus 4x plus 1 in the form x plus p squared plus by q. Okay, so let us first x, here we make it a half, so this is plus by 2. X plus by 2 square. Okay, so x plus by 2 square, this is equal to x squared plus by 4x plus by 4. Okay, since 4 is the extra and we need to make it 1, so we can just minus it by 3. So it is, so this is x plus 2 square minus by 3. Okay, use your answer in part B1 to solve the equation. Okay, this is x plus 2 square minus 3 equal to 0. So plus by 3 both upside. So you got x plus 2 square equal to 3. So x plus 2, we make it square root. It's gonna be plus minus square root of 3. And then x equal to plus minus square root of 3. Here is minus it by 2. So you will get the answer, use a calculator. So the first x gonna be square root of 3, okay, minus by 2. And another one, you will got as negative square root of 3 minus it by 2. So you can use a calculator, then you will get as negative 0.268 and negative 3.73. Okay, use your answer part B1 to write the coordinates of the minimum and then the maximum. So here is the form x plus p squared plus by q. Okay, in this form, we got the answer as x plus 2 square minus it by 3. Okay, the coordinates gonna be negative p point q. So here 2 times negative equal to negative 2 and negative 3. Okay, correct the sketch. So first we got this point, negative 2 and 3. So here is negative 2. Here is negative 3. Okay, here is the minimum point. Okay, the value of x negative. Here is negative 3.73 and here is negative 0.268. Okay, then let us find the y x intercept. So y equal to 0 square plus by 4 times 0 plus by 1. So y equal to 1 and here it is. Okay, we can just draw the graph, cross the line. Here it is. Okay. Okay, a solid cuboid measured by 20 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 5. So the volume of the cuboid is 20 centimeter. We multiply by 12 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. So I get as the answer is 1,200. Calculate the total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, so cuboid, so 2, we multiply by 20 times 12 plus by 20 times 5 plus by 12 times 5. So still 2. Okay, 20 times 12 is 240 plus by 20 times 5 is 100. 12 times 5 is 60. Okay, let's proceed. 300 and 400 times by 2, so this equal to 800 centimeter square. Okay, the surface of the cuboid is painted. The cost of the paint used $1.52. Find the cost to paint 1 centimeter square of the cuboid. Give your answer in cent. So let us change it into cent. It's gonna be 152 cent. So 152 cent we divide by 800. Okay, 100. So you will get as 0.19. A solid metal cylinder with the radius x and the height of 9x over 2 is melted. Okay, all the metal is used to make a sphere with the radius r. Okay, we need to find r in terms of x. Okay, so this is the volume of the cylinder. Pi, we multiply by r square with h. So pi, this is x square, h is 9x over 2. Okay, so we got the volume is 9x to the power of 3 over 2 pi. Here is the volume of the sphere. So as this is all metal is used to make a sphere, so they are equal. So volume of sphere equal to the volume of the cylinder. So the volume of cylinder we got it from here. This is 9 over 2 pi, not r, x cube, and volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, we can solve it. So let us multiply it by 3 over 4, both of sides. So it's gonna disappear, and we divide by pi. So this is only r cube equal to 3 times 9, and then 2 times 4 x cube. Okay, r cube equal to, this is 27, 8, and this is x cube. Okay, cube root, we'll make it cube root. So r equal to cube root of 27, this is equal to 3, x cube root of 8 equal to, so r equal to 3x over 2. Okay, C. The diagram show a cylinder with the length of, here is 150. Okay, on horizontal ground. The cylinder has radius of 20 and the cylinder contains water to a depth of 5 centimeter as shown in the diagram. Here is the diagram. Calculate the volume of water in the cylinder. Okay, so here is the, let's find the distance. So the radius we minus with the height, which is 20 centimeter, we minus by 5 centimeter. So we got as 15 centimeter. Here it is. Okay, and then we will use the trigonometry on the right triangle. Here it is on the right triangle. To find it, the center line of the water surface. So this is cos x equal to d. Here's the d, and we divide by r. Here it is. Here is d, and here is r. So we can use cos. This is cos x equal to 15 over 20. So this is cos of inverse 15 over 20 equal to x. So we got the angle is 41.41 degree. Okay, let us calculate the sector area. So change it. Here is area sector. So a half r square multiplied with the degree angle. So this is not 41. Here is 82.82. And if you would like to make it into radian, as we will find the sector, it's going to be easier. So this is equal to 1.44547. Okay, this is 1/2. We multiply it by r square. It's 20. So 20 square. And then here's the radian is 1.44547. So you can use a calculator. So the answer is gonna be 289.09 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector. Next, let us find the area of the triangle. Here is area of triangle. A half of r square and then multiplied by sin of degree. So here is 1/2. This is 20 square. Sin 20 square, 20 degree. Okay, 20 square. The angle is 82.82 degree. Okay, you can use a calculator. You will get as 198.43 centimeter square. Okay, so we got it. So let us find it. Here is the cross-sectional area. Only this area. So the area sector, we will minus it with the triangle. Area of the triangle. So here I will write area segment is 289.09. We minus by 198.43. So it's gonna be 6. Okay, 90 centimeter square. Okay, the volume of water. So we got here equal the area. Then we just multiply with the height. So the volume is 90.66. We multiply by 150. So we got as 13,599 centimeter cubic. As we would like to make it into liters, we can just divide by 1,000. So we got as 13.6